What is up, guys? In today's video, I just got the new FIREWORK Freddy. I have not looked at him. We're gonna look at him. 3, 2, 1. That is a big firework. That is a big firework. That's completely different. Oh, he just showed me his sunglasses. He has completely different movements than Freddy. He's got a ripped up American shirt. He's got shorts. He has a really big firework. He has an American flag hat. He should have his own CPU. He should not be normal Freddy. That is so cool. Freddy with sunglasses. He just did it. Look at him. With sunglasses. Look at him. That is awesome. And now I've gotten 2 new characters today. Chocolate Bonnie and Firework Freddy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.